Hello everybody, jimmyispromo here, back again with another awesome video, and in today's video I challenged myself to find 3 different hidden features inside the Galaxy Note 9 that no one has ever seen or shown off before. Now usually I believe I'm the one that usually goes the most in-depth with these Samsung Galaxy devices. I've never shown it yet on the Galaxy Note 9, nor has any of these features been shown in the past devices, and I don't think any other YouTuber has ever shown these ones off, so hopefully this is a first for all 3 of these for everybody watching this video. Now if you are a new visitor of the channel of jimmyispromo, make sure you guys hit on that subscribe button, as well as the bell for notifications so you don't miss future videos surrounding the Galaxy Note 9. Especially if any of these are brand new for you, definitely hit that subscribe button. Now the first one that we will cover is going to be inside of PenUp. Now inside of PenUp, I've already shown from before how you're able to add in a drawing and also a layer of a background image. Now this is where if you take a picture, you're able to actually draw and color on top of it, so you can kind of make it your own. Now I'm not going to go in depth with this because I've already shown this part from before, but this next thing I'm going to show you is a little similar to it. Now with this one here, let's say that I took the time and I actually did it. You can take away that background image so you can see what you have left to do. Now obviously there's a lot left to do because I just started, but you can kind of see what I'm talking about right there. But the one I want to talk about here that no one has shown you is live drawings. Now up here you can check out the new live drawings. You can see what is popular, but let's just kind of go up on what is new. Let's kind of scroll down a little bit and let's go through some of these. Let's actually just try this one right here. So first off, you will initially be able to see what is happening, what is the strokes, what is the pretty much the process. This is where you can go to learn to draw. Now inside of here, you can also change the speed at what it's going. So right now it's 2 times the speed, and now it's 4 times the speed. So as you can see what they are doing, what you're able to do is actually pause it, and you're able to copy them. But if you didn't notice it, because it's a very subtle change, and I don't know if the camera caught it, is this is a lighter purple that it did on these first 5 pieces, and then it went to a darker purple. So if you just miss where something changes, either they change the utensil or the color, pause it right before it happens. You can go right through there. You can see that it actually chooses the utensil with the exact color that you're actually able to use, so you can do the exact same image. So I'm gonna hit on play, and I'm gonna hit on pause. And so I wanted to go inside of here before it changed the color again. So now that I've got all 5 lines going, I'm gonna hit on play, and you can see how it went to a darker purple that they're drawing on the right hand side. So again, I'm gonna wait till it goes to the very bottom. I'm gonna hit on pause. I have that darker purple. I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna copy exactly what they did. Now my son is 8 years old and he loves this feature here. He's able to actually watch it. He puts it at a little bit slower of a rate so he can see exactly what's going on. Now with this one, they went with a little bit darker of a purple again, and so I'm going to go right there so I can have the exact same purple that they're using. And then you'll actually see the bigger change when it actually goes over into green. So here we go, we're gonna hit on play, and when I hit on pause, now you can see here, it did change it to the green for me. And so that is pretty much what I'm trying to talk about there, that you are able to use exactly what they're using within the drawing. And then this is where you can actually go in there and you can finish the drawing. And then you can also take away the live drawing. So right here is where you can take away you know, what is being shown and what is not being shown. So this way when you hit on done, you're able to save it and post it, or you can just save it as a draft. The second hidden feature that I'm pretty sure no one has shown you, and I know for a fact I have not shown you, is creating a larger and a longer GIF. So let's say that you go inside your gallery. You can do this with normal everyday images, but sometimes it's kind of fun with the normal GIFs that you create or the stickers that is created with your AR emoji. So let's say that you wanted to send off maybe 5 of these to somebody and it's in one GIF. Then you're able to actually do that. So once you basically go inside of here, you press and hold. Then what you want to do is tap on all the rest of them that you would like to, you know, put into one GIF. On the top right hand side, you're able to go inside of here and then you create the GIF of everything you just selected. Now it's pretty fun if you created AR emojis with other family members and friends. So this way, this could be you, this could be the girlfriend, this could be the boyfriend, this could be the brother, and it just kind of goes on, and it's kind of like a Brady Bunch of GIFs that you put together. You can go down here and you can edit some of these. So these are going slide by slide, image by image. If there's any of these that you would like to delete, you can also delete them, or you can even add in other images. This is where you can change the aspect ratio if you want it to look a little different. This is going to be your speed. So how fast would you like it to go through all of these different GIFs? So you can basically slow it down or go extremely fast. This is where you can change the direction. If you want all of them to go backwards, you can make them go backwards. You can make them go forward, or you can just make them loop. And then this is where you can add in a decoration. So if you want to add a sticker, you can. If you want to add a word, you can. And you can also draw. So if you can say maybe this is something that you made when you were on vacation, for example. This is where you can click there. When you hit on OK, then it's going to stay there and it will be there for the remainder of this entire GIF. So if you're creating images or a small little baby video of all the pictures, then you're able to have that little word up there. And then the next hidden feature is actually going inside of your AR emoji, but getting very detailed. So what I will do is I'm going to go inside of here, create my emoji, and I'm going to retake an image of my face. Man, that's actually a really bad image of me, but here we go. It's kind of like a mugshot. You can kind of tell it's getting later in the day. So took the image, and so now what's going to happen is beforehand, you're able to kind of choose a little bit of what your face looked like, the color tone, everything else, some of your clothes, glasses, your haircut. Now you can also change your backgrounds if you wanted to have a background. But the very detailed things that I'm talking about is this icon here on the very top right-hand side. You can go inside of here where you can change your character from before that you've seen. Here's your face, the hair, the head, but you can go as deep as the eyes. So look at this. You can change the shape of what the eye looks like. So if yours is a little bit droopy on the left-hand side, you're able to do that. And so you can really go inside of here. You can even give yourself a little bit of a lift, but check out the eye color. You can now actually change the color of your eyes. So if you got green or hazel, here's your brown, here's the blue. So it's actually really cool to the fact that like it's getting closer and closer to something that's more realistic. So this way you'd be able to go more in depth of what exactly you look like, even with the eye color, not just the shape of the eyes or where they're located, you know, further apart, closer together, higher up, or whatever. This is getting pretty detailed. Now, my hopes is that all three of these things is brand new for you, that you just learned today in this video for the Galaxy Note 9. And if not, hopefully at least one or two of them have been brand new. If that's the case, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit on subscribe right over here, and make sure you guys share this video with your friends and family and social media sites. And outside of that, I'll see you guys later.